Meaning of diligently.
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 Diligently. Diligently means to work hard, with focus and persistence, and to put in one's best effort towards achieving a goal. When someone works diligently, they are committed to the task at hand and apply themselves consistently and with determination. The result of diligent work is often success or progress towards a desired outcome. Diligent workers are likely to produce high-quality work, which can lead to recognition and better opportunities. Overall, working diligently is an important skill for success in many areas of life, including education, career, and personal development.